Hello guys, good morning. It's 8 a.m. in UK time, and we can see that after my update last night where I was saying, well, we went back below the resistance, and I said as well that this liquidity in here, it's got me scratching my head. Why will we go to 96k to take this green when we have so much liquidity closer to the price? And it feels to me that the move down when I update was more or less 10 p.m. and I was saying, why are we going down? Why? There's just this liquidity in here. I feel like possibly they just want to trap a few more shorts. And if you look at this closely, from 10 p.m. you can see that in here it's getting a bit more thick. They haven't done an amazing job. It hasn't gone red or yellow, but the green is becoming thicker, so somehow they managed to trap a few more shorts in this area. We want to create a continuous into 107 to make it super easy to hit the top of the range. And today is the FOMC meeting, so expect loads of volatility. The million-dollar question is from people, well, you're talking about this breakout, could it be that we still go to 96? Absolutely. Absolutely, but I still think that even if we go to 96 and we do it with volatility today and we just pinch it, if we come back up, let's say above 100k from having gone to 96, that will mean the perfect shake of in the market to trap more shorts, and then at that point probably the green is going to become yellow, and at that point it's a lot easier to go higher. I'm not saying it's impossible from where we are. I've seen so many people being bearish. Let's have a look at the daily, because not just on the 4-hour things became a bit more blurry, like you can see in this area in here. Let's load the daily. Here it is. And as you can see, we were yesterday coming back down in here, but it has been quite mild in my opinion. We just left an indecision candle there in the yellow area. You can see it. It's got a wick to the upside into the fair value gap, and it's got a higher low relative to the previous 97.8. We ended up closing at putting a lowest in the day of 100.2. So we couldn't break below 100, and we ended up closing the day at 101.3. Thanks to that, we are having a green engulfing candle that could potentially be the beginning of the reversal, and that is because that green candle at the moment is back above daily support. So it could still get us that ride into 64, which is the resistance, and I remind you that that is more or less at 107.8. That hits one of the biggest liquidation levels just behind the 109.5, which we took in the video, in the main video yesterday. So I think things are looking very interesting for a potential reversal. I'm excited, and I really don't care if we go to 96, because at the moment my bias is, why are we going to here? There's nothing, unless we're really going for the 88. And if we go for the 88, I got a very, very large order there that I'm pleased if we fill it. Of course, if we go that low, I need to completely adjust the exit strategy. And for that, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and follow me so we can discuss that if we find ourselves in that direction. Guys, if you like this very short updates in the morning, in the evening, make sure that you hit the like, write down a comment. I read all your lovely comments, and thanks so much for all